Okay, I'm Saion Gupta of class 7, and today I'm going to speak on the topic climate change.
All right, that is very interesting. So, Saion, your time starts now.
Nowadays, climate change is the biggest problem of human beings. It represents one of the greatest environmental, social, and economic threats facing the planet. Climate change, also called global warming, refers to the rise in average surface temperatures on Earth. Climate change also refers to any significant change in measures of climate, such as temperature, precipitation, or wind, lasting for an extended period like decades or longer. The primary cause of climate change is the burning of fossil fuels such as oil and coal, which emits greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, primarily CO2. Other human activities such as agriculture and deforestation also contribute to rapid increase uh, to greenhouse gases that cause climate change. While we can't undo the damage caused to the environment, we can help decelerate the rate of change. Everything we do in our day-to-day lives emits CO2 into the atmosphere. That means that even making small changes in what we do or how we do it can have a positive impact in preventing the onset of climate change. That's why we must try to make our lifestyle greener by walking to our local facilities rather than taking the car. Or we can engage to sports such as cycling or running. We can also change our habits at work. We should take public transport to work or walk or share car journeys with colleagues instead of taking our own car. We should turn off appliances, equipment, and lights off when we have finished using them, and more importantly, we should shut down our laptop instead of just logging off. Let us all take part in educating the future generations. Preventing climate change in future is down to the actions and opinions of future generations. Meaning now is the time to educate everybody around us about climate change and its effects. This can be done at school, by parents, or simply through leading by example. Thank you.
That was amazing. All
Thank
right,
you.
Saion, you are very welcome. You can now sit down, relax, and watch your friends perform.